And I'm so happy to be on these roads again.
My name is Outspoken Bean. I am the former Poet Laureate of Houston, Texas. I am the head coach of the Youth Poetry Slam team, Metaphor Houston. And I'm out here in San Angelo working with young people to help them expand their creativity through spoken word, through performance poetry.
The reason I brought Outspoken Bean in was because there is an undercurrent of creativity happening in San Angelo, and I wanted to further reinforce that by bringing in nationally renowned poets, because I think the young people in San Angelo are thirsty for knowledge and experiences.
Spoken word is a form of poetry where the intent is for what you write to be on stage. The intentionality is for the poetry to be said out loud and to be alive, to be vibrant.
This poster behind me says, "Your voice matters." Young people need to realize that their voice matters, but sometimes they don't always have the words. And I think the great thing about what Outspoken Bean did during this workshop was he gave them a formula for writing and expressing themselves.
These young people already have the creativity and the imaginations. They understand imagery. They understand the elements of poetry. So what I've been doing is just introducing them a new way to tap into what they already know, of what spoken word and what poetry in particular, of what it is. I use this formula that was taught to me by my dear friend, Pages Matam. He taught me about coming up with a formula for it.
It's a way to unlock creativity. A lot of times when we get started on a poem, a story, we don't have the words. We don't know where to begin. And this process, you come up with three things. The first thing is an adjective and an object. The second thing is an adjective and a place. And the last thing is an abstract noun. And so once you have that, you begin a free association of ideas. Once you have your word banks associated with the abstract noun and the different concepts, then you just put it together as a puzzle. You're no longer having to search for words. The words are already there. You know, if you're not a practiced poet, it's a great way to begin.
Every day I am becoming a slave to myself when I don't release myself. Anything that can get your mind working in a creative space and have a formula is beneficial for you. Whatever it is you're going to do, having a creative mind as a skill set and exercising that is something that you can carry on to other things. San Angelo got some good kids out here. They got some kids who are empathetic, got some kids who are eager to learn. Y'all have some kids who are very impassioned and passionate.
We have amazing young people. The creativity, the desire, what they aspire to is really incredible.
Yeah! Great job.